Here's what I built. Wheels. In order to get that wheel, I put a little piece of cushion in there so it'll help the belt, keep control of the belt. Then I got a drive wheel there, 3/4 horsepower bench grinder for now. I'm gonna have a 2 horsepower table saw in there once I get some step down pulleys. I built this arm here so it's fully adjustable. This could come up all the way up like this if I wanted to, or down like this, or just completely out of the way. So I could work on just having that wheel like that, or it'll pull back up, stay in place, and I can put a level on it and have it nice and level so I can work on things here. This is my very first knife that I ever made. It's for Adam in the congregation. He's been begging me to get him a pocket knife, so I figured I'd just make one. And so far so good. Got the little pins in there. It's a full convex edge with a little bit of epoxy on it that I use to glue everything together. So I'll be sanding that later today. This here is fully adjustable here. See, I kind of cut it crooked, but it serves its purpose. So you undo this like a 1/4 turn, maybe a 1/2 turn, and then this will slide out and in. This will slide that way or this way, or you can take it out and put a whole new wheel on, smaller or bigger wheel if you want. And what else? It's spring loaded, and I haven't built the handle for it yet. This is my tensioner pulley. See, it goes up and down. That's what that does. I think it's usually like right there, I don't know. Here's my other 2 knives that I'm working on. I got a his and a hers made out of a file that my grandfather gave me when I was a little kid. Here's my wife's. And here's mine. I was up all night the other night trying to grind these down because, especially mine, I just couldn't get the grinder to grind. I think this motor's too slow. All my different belts hanging from my fan. Got one over there too. Garage is a mess right now. I had Adam over the other night and we went crazy. But here's my bandsaw that I need a blade for. It should be in today actually. I'm hoping. Chop saw. I got my table saw over there. Welder. Anyways, back to this. It's spring loaded. So, I use this right now for a handle. So you can pull it down and change the belt. So you take this, see the slack on that, you just pull the belt right off, put the new one on. That's it. Then you take it, start it. Starts right up. That's going to look really cool. the grain of it. That's some oak I had in my backyard that I cut down. Figured I'd try that on my first knife. Looks good. So that's that. There's the knife. Finish it up later today. Right now I got to get the car running because it's a hunk of junk and it's broke down. Alright.